Okay, we continue to Tuguregates after from Tumpak Sewu. That's the parking area. This is the game begin. Okay, Tuguregates. Let's game begin. Okay, the track is almost same like before. It's been fulfilled by concrete, but concrete, solid concrete like that. Special sound. Amazing scenery. Oh, rather traily. 400 meters. 0.4 kilometers. I think this is a security post. Okay, let's get down. This is a start is very easy because it's just down the street. But then this back must be goes up. Okay, let's go. Is there any food sellers in here? Coconut. 10,000. Place for sit down. Ah, same like before. The Sala field. Okay. Still goes down. This could be dangerous because after this, when we back, we must be climbing in 400 meters. Some mountain stone in here. Look at how high is it. Okay. It's I think it's a stand for the food seller. Like this, but that's empty. Concrete track, very easy. Oh, stone stairs. Okay, let's see something there, down there. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Crazy. Let's get down slowly. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh yes, let's see from there. Let's go. Yeah. Voila. Ah, there's the Tumpak Sewu first we seen. And now let's continue to get down there. Some muddy floor. Oh. Yeah. Oh, fuel down here. After this, when you get back, it's fuel up 400 meters. Man. Okay. Oh, getting there. I will stop the recording first. Okay. From there, getting there. Let's go. so hilly. Careful. Oh. Oof. Okay. You can swim there. Wow. Wow. We zoom out again and continue the walk. Ooh, still so far, guys. Yep. Oh, I can imagine how we do go up. Oh my god. Some tires is in there. But the sword is actually broken. And it's going down. Oh, it's so hard when I'm recording. Ooh. So sharp down there. Let's go. Okay, let's continue. Oh my god, we walk like that. Still seems so far. But it's getting better. There's so much sharp. But you must be serious. And still continue. Oh. Look at that. Some waterfall there. Let's continue. Okay, we still continue the race. Still hilly down. Oh, the stairs is broken by the nature. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh. Okay, almost there. Oh. This is extreme enough. Oof. This has been broke down too. Oh, look at that. Nearly impossible, but okay, let's go. We are really in the middle of the forest right now. Man. Oh, it's so hot in here. So tropical and so sick. Okay, let's save some memory. I'm going to do that. Continue to really start it down. Okay. Holy moly. Continue the race. Okay, I will make you see some piece of even. There's a waver in there. There's a waterfall in here. But the state is still not good. Oh, so muddy. Yeah. The handheld has been destroyed by nature. Okay. the government still try to repair the handheld. Okay, at least we arrived, I think. Let's go there. Oh, almost there. Now we must hold the rope. Yeah. Okay. Crossing the stairs with the water. Yeah, the stairs. It's leaky. Man. Oh. Okay. I better stop the video and hold on first. Okay, after from Hilly, we found a piece of heaven. Behind there. Okay guys, I will explain something. In here, behind the waterfall, there's a cave. So we try to get something. It's a small waterfall, like this. Beautiful. And if you go to the left, like that, you will find the Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon, okay? But the Blue Lagoon is extreme track, so we'll try to the cave first. Okay. What a beautiful scenery, but we must be counting. Let's go. This is a track. Easier. It's a holding like this, but it's rather extreme because it's really just stone. But we are surrounded by the beautiful sky. Let's go. Everything will pay off. Crazy. Look at that. I'm full of Hulk right now. Oh, look at that. Oh. I think this was snake. Come on. Oh. It's not so slick. I still need to hold on. It's big up there. Let's go. Did you see what my street like that? Oh my god. Oh. I can go up there. Come on. Okay, must be crawling around the stones. I think I will shut down the video first because it's really dangerous to hands off. There's no hand grip in here. It's crazy. Yes. After past this way, you can see that, and can you see this? I don't know, it's natural or human made, but it's so beautiful. If this is natural, sorry, I'm slick. Rather much all day. There. Guarates. The cave of Droplet. The cave of Droplet, guys. You must be thrilled off. Trying to go up there. Okay, I will stop the video first because we need our forehand. 2 hands, 2 foots, okay? 4x4. Guys, you must be see this. It's a plank of water test. Look at this. Voila. If I have a drone, that should be amazing. Still off road to get up there. I will try my best. There's just any mark in there. Ooh. Oh, what amazing. Oh, there. The Blue Lagoon down there. And the Guatates up there. Insane. Any holders, but extreme, I think. Okay. Look at the other people go up and down like that. Did you see how hard is it? Okay, I will stop recording. After I get there, I will continue the recording. Yeah, guys. Some people suggest the best scenery is in here. So we don't need to go there. That's the case. If you want to go there, you must be using a climbing equipment. And this is so slicky. In here is so slicky. And that we need a climbing equipment. And here, extreme too. Okay. I think in here, we stop our journey. We will get back with our team. Let's go, head back. Thank you for watching.